Hi, my name is Greg Kowal, and I'm from Paradise, Newfoundland. And we're here today testing the Foodi Compact Pressure Cooker. Today we're going to be cooking roast beef stew to see how fast it can cook and how well it can cook. So we're actually looking forward to it. Using a pressure cooker is something that helps us make our meals a lot more speedier. And as you can see this in action right now, we're sauteing our vegetables and we're trying to get things moving along very quickly. So tune in with us in a little bit and you can see the final product. Product of our pressure cooked beef stew. Tasting the stew, tasting the vegetables, tasting the broth, really, really good. The only issue that we did have with it, however, was when we were releasing the pressure, made quite a bit of a mess. Something that we probably didn't do correctly. However, all in all, this tool is a great tool for the kitchen, and you can do everything in it at once. So cleanup is easy and very easy to make recipes. Thank you.